Hello.
Hello everybody, welcome to my video on my channel, and this is my subscription box.
Okay.
Oh, not my subscription box. And this is my prescription box review. There's lots of drugs in here, good for everybody.
Not.
Okay.
Okay.
And this is my subscription box review. Hold up, I got it again this time. And this is my subscription box review.
Oh. Okay. Okay. We ordered, or should I say Weston ordered, this is Weston, my husband, an Apothecary box.
This is from Tamed Wild Apothecary.
Yes. It's got some, like herbal sort of goodies. Right? Herbal? Apothecary?
Yes, Apothecary. They provide lots of herbal stuff.
That's
basically what she said. I know, that's why I said it. But okay. Lots of different things, from tinctures to teas to bath
anybody
fragrances.
else, when they hear the word tincture, think sphincter?
I don't. I've never thought that.
That's inappropriate.
Personally.
Or could not be inappropriate. It's only inappropriate if you think it's inappropriate. Okay, we should open it.
Okay, so first...
How much was it?
This was $23.
Ooh. Get a nice up-close sound of you opening the box. ASMR.
There we go, beautiful.
Crinkle the bubble wrap.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so looks like we got some. So we get some cards in here telling us what everything is about. Arlie, you can go and read those. I'll go ahead and take this bubble wrap out.
It says, "Calm down. We all need a little bit of relaxation after the busy holiday season. While January presents us with a renewed sense of hope and a new list of goals, it can also present us with added stress and anxiety as we attempt to chase those dreams. It is with this in mind that we created the Calm Down themed box. The plant remedies included were created to help calm your nerves and calm your fears." Do you want to start with number 1, Calm Down tea?
Actually, I was going to start with rose quartz.
That
the
is
thing I am least interested in, but I still
4.
think it's cool.
My favorite Steven Universe character.
Comes in this.
Is that a character in Steven Universe?
Yeah, she's dead though.
Spoilers, I haven't even seen it.
Marla, you learned it in the first episode.
Oh. Okay.
That's not a spoiler.
Okay.
Well, sort of dead. I mean, it's complicated.
Okay, yes, it does say 4 stones. We heard you on this one too. That would make sense if we had gone in order. Our most popular request is the inclusion of Earth's other medicine, crystals and stones. These are added at random and may not be the same stones as your neighbors, so search online for additional information about what stones you received. I personally don't believe that stones are like healing.
Me neither,
but
I think they look cool.
They're very pretty.
So let's go ahead and get an up close of this.
Yes.
Look at me. Come on, it's this one. It's this. Come on.
I can't believe we paid $23 for a rock.
Yeah, I love rocks.
But I guess people do that with is it not focusing?
Here you go. Yeah, it's not focusing.
You might be too close.
There we go. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's crystalline.
I was gonna say though, people do pay a lot of money for other gemstones,
specific gemstones.
But not loose, I guess is the difference.
All right. Now we'll start in order. I was just super not excited about that one.
Calm Down tea. It says, "We love this floral blend as a daytime tea when our nerves are frazzled. Only drink a cup or so as it can make you drowsy. The addition of skullcap makes it a great before bed tea. Drink at night when you are ready to relax and slip into a deep sleep."
That's what I do. I drink before night so I can slip into a deep sleep.
What is skullcap?
Skullcap is basically it's a mushroom with a cap and it looks like a skull.
Really?
I actually think it is a mushroom.
I'm gonna put a picture of skullcap here.
Yeah, it's probably not a mushroom. I don't think it is, but
okay.
I think they're 50-50 there. It could be mushroom, it could be something else. Could be a tree bark. Skullcap
I
tree
bet
bark.
it's an herb of some sort. Let's smell it. Ah! Oh my gosh,
cool.
I can't believe they made that sound.
This is a really cool looking thing.
It comes in this like apothecary jar bottle.
Oh man, that smells really good.
It smells like oregano and tea.
No, it doesn't.
It smells like Italian herb seasoning.
No, it doesn't.
Let me smell again.
It smells like herbal tea. It smells really good for herbal tea as well.
Okay. It smells like I used to make garlic bread in the oven, and what I would do is I would take, you know, just like your white loaf, Wonder Bread, and I would put on a bunch of oregano, a bunch of Italian seasoning, a bunch of parsley, and like a little bit of garlic, because it was garlic bread. And it came out, and it was kind of disgusting, and I think it's because I did too much Italian seasoning, which is what that reminds me of.
Okay. Well, we'll cut away. At the very end, we're going to make this tea. I'm going to taste it.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Here's us tasting the tea.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Just a teaspoon of tea helps the tea turn into tea. It's in there. It's been 10 minutes. What does it smell like? The same but lighter. Actually, now it smells more like tea to me.
Yeah. Tastes really clean.
Yeah?
Kind of grassy. Like a,
You wanna like squat yourself?
more like a white tea.
It kind of smells like sweet, but it doesn't taste sweet, obviously.
Yeah, like a little bit of like, almost like agave or honey. Not sugar sweet.
Yeah. Like a natural, well, I guess sugar's natural. Like a more natural sweet.
Yeah.
A little bit, I mean, like, I can't
wish it was a
taste
little bit
it so much as
stronger.
I smell it.
Yeah, I want it. I'm gonna leave it steeping for a bit longer and then try it again. But from what I can tell so far, it still tastes just fine.
Yeah, tastes good
And
to
it's,
me.
yeah, it's really good.
Peace. That was so good.
That was delicious.
That was the best tea I've ever had.
It was great tea. We're gonna cut our opinions out at the end. So this is our opinion. It was really good. Anyways, like 1 billion points for style. Like,
yeah,
this looks so cool.
it does look really cool.
Here you go. Close up again. There it is.
Whoop, there it is.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Awesome.
All right, second.
Number 2, lemon balm herb and card. This is the card they're talking about.
And this is the herb.
Wow. By popular request, we have decided to include a monthly herb bag and Materia Medica card. This new addition to your monthly delivery will allow you to grow your collection of single herbs while experimenting with your own blends. Oh,
Pretty
it's the
stoked about
plant.
that. It's not to plant. It is just the plant.
Wait, what?
It's just the plant. Dried herbs of it and how to use them.
Oh, okay.
Which
okay.
I'm pretty stoked about because I'm totally into making teas and everything else, and I think this is great.
Dope. This is how it says, okay. Lemon balm, the official name is Melissa
Who is she?
officinalis. Nailed it. About nervine. Oh my god, this is just embarrassing.
Melissa, I barely know her.
Nervine herb, member of the mint family, grown all over the world. You can use it as a light sedative and to promote relaxation. It is also used to ease upset stomach and ease indigestion. It is popular for use in anti-anxiety blends. How to use: teas, tinctures, tonics, culinary oils. That's how you use it.
You can also crush it up and
Instructions.
snort it for no reason.
But
There
you
is
probably
literally no
shouldn't.
reason to do it. So don't do it.
Okay, history, magic lore. Historically documented as far back as the Middle Ages, it is said to ward off evil spirits. It is believed to be connected to the moon and water, and is sacred to the goddess Diana. There is a ton of spice in this.
Come a splice it, how dare they?
And they didn't capitalize Middle Ages.
I just want to go ahead and smell it.
Yes. Who is the goddess Diana?
Isn't that from Rome?
I don't know.
Like one of the gods that the Romans stole from the Greeks.
That's how it works. The moon and water. You know, here's an interesting thing. Do people who
Smells good.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah. That's what's in it. That's probably what's making you think of garlic bread.
No.
Actually, yeah.
That made me think of tea. The tea made me think of garlic bread. I was gonna ask, okay, people, I've noticed, going off of my like Tumblr, what I've seen on Tumblr, which, you know, that can skew a lot of things. But I've noticed that, you know, people who tend to be into like herbs and crystals on the side of like, maybe more like witchcraft almost, tend to believe in like your zodiac signs. Is that true?
Yeah, I think so.
Let me know if it's true. I'm a little like lost in this whole thing.
It is. It's true, unfortunately.
I was just gonna say, one of my zodiac signs, one of the reasons that I have an issue with zodiac signs is my birthday is November 22nd. So, depending on which, you know, like horoscope you're looking at, I'm either a Scorpio or a Sagittarius. Is that how you say that?
Sagittarius, yes.
Sagittarius?
Sagittarius makes it sound pretentious.
Okay. So, I just feel like, but what am I? Like, I don't fit. And one of those, the only thing I was gonna say is one of those is fire. Scorpio's fire. And Sagittarius is water. And, okay, I'm like, I don't believe in this, but apparently I've like really looked into it. I'm considered
air, wind, fire. My name's Marla.
I was just gonna say, like, I'm on the cusp of revolution or whatever. That's like what it's called whenever you're like right in between those things. Which means that I have like a lot of conflicting things about my personality. So there's that. That was a really cool herb.
Yeah. So last thing on the list.
Sacred breath mist. Okay. I don't know why I looked at you.
It's right here. It's a spray bottle.
Take this one with you on the go as a way to instantly feel the calm. Keep by your bed as a before sleep pillow spray. I've been wanting one of those. Spritz in the air and inhale. Let the blend of essential oils do the rest. Spray it. I thought that it was like breath mist. I really thought that's what it was.
Yeah, no,
like,
I thought that first it too, and I was like, I get it.
But what?
No, I was just like, I get it.
You were fine with it.
I was like, yeah, I'll spray it in my mouth.
Okay, spray it in the air.
Okay.
Not at us.
Actually.
No, like in front of us, so you can see it on the camera. Oh, okay.
There we go. Oh wait, I need to do my own.
That's enough. Ooh. It smells like some of my skincare stuff. It smells like my eyebrow oil. I love it.
I'm digging it. Yeah, I think it smells great.
Yum!
It smells a little bit like
alcohol.
No, like Vapor Rub.
Oh yeah.
Not sponsored.
That's good. Not sponsored. That was it.
I wonder if anybody's sponsored by Vapor Rub.
I don't know. Thanks so stop. Can you stop?
Thanks.
Thank
Goodbye.
you.
Subscribe, like, and open your chakras today.
Bye.
Bye.